Is your Steam game download stuck? Don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. First, pause the download and then resume it. Sometimes a quick restart is all it takes to get things moving again. If it's still stuck, clear your Steam download cache. Go to Steam settings, open downloads. By the way, you can find Steam settings under Steam and then settings. Open downloads and then clear download cache. Then log back in. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection for a more stable download. Step 4. Change your download region. Go to Steam settings again and click on downloads and select a different server. You can select a different server location with lower traffic. If nothing works, verify the integrity of game files. Right-click your game in the library and go to Properties, and then Install Files and verify integrity of game files. And that's it. With these steps, your Steam downloads should run smoothly again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.